The Vision EQXX is even more efficient due to so-called bionic engineering. This process draws significant inspiration from nature for the design of structural parts. It means that material is used only where necessary for load-bearing purposes. BionEQXX is the name for cast components designed by Mercedes-Benz using bionic engineering. Merging the worlds of simulation, optimization, and design in one process leads to significant material savings as well as reduced development time and costs. This is made possible by graphic and polygonal modeling tools that are also used in movie animations. And it's fully digital, enabling the creation of bionic structures in far less time than the usual development process. The largest of these parts is BionEQXX, which forms the rear floor of the Vision EQXX. One casting replaces more than 40 parts in a conventional construction. Together with other components, it offers the optimal balance between functionality, economical use of materials, and lightweight construction. The bionic cast components play their part in making the Vision EQXX the most efficient car we've ever built.